Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your ACG credit card online. To do so, first you'll have to go to your preferred web browser. Here, I'm using Google Chrome for now. Then, at the top URL box, you may go and search for creditcard.acg.aaa.com and then press enter. This will directly take you to the login portal. Before logging into your account, you'll have to make sure that you have an account. If you do not have an account yet, you may just click on the enroll button right between the login button and the contact us button. Once you click on the enroll button, you may enter your details, follow the prompts, and then enroll or register to an account. Now, if you do have an account, then you may proceed and enter your personal ID in the given text box. In any case, if you forget your personal ID, then you may just click on the Forgot Your Personal ID link right below the Continue button. Once you make sure you filled in your personal ID correctly, then you may click on the Continue button. Once you click on the Continue button, then the website asks you a personal question that you set up previously while creating an account. Now here you can see on screen that the website has asked me, what city does my nearest sibling live in? You may fill in your answer in the given text box. Once you do that, then you may click on the box right below the text box to make sure this website remembers your computer. This will make it easier for you to access your credit card later. In any case, if you forget your answer, you may click on the Forgot Your Answer link below. Now, you may make sure your answer is answered correctly. If you have answered it correctly, then you may click on the Next button and this will simply log you in to your ACG credit card. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.